Welcome to my channel. Today's product is NeuroVera. Restore your memory. NeuroVera is an advanced brain support formula designed to promote memory, focus, and mental clarity. Powered by carefully selected ingredients like Gotu Kola, Bacopa Monnieri, Dache, lion's mane, and Shilajit. It helps support healthy neural activation and cognitive performance. Just one capsule daily works to protect brain function and restore confidence in your recall. 1. Supports memory recall. 2. Enhances mental focus. 3. Promotes brain clarity. 4. Boosts neural activation. 5. Protects brain cells. 6. Supports cognitive health. At NeuroVera, our mission is simple. Help people protect and restore their memory naturally. We believe cognitive health shouldn't rely on harsh chemicals or temporary fixes. That's why NeuroVera is formulated with carefully selected, research-backed ingredients designed to support neural activation, mental clarity, and long-term brain performance. Every bottle is manufactured in the United States in a GMP-certified facility and tested by independent third-party labs for purity and potency. We focus on quality, transparency, and results. When you choose NeuroVera, you're choosing science-driven brain support you can trust every single day. It is a premium dietary supplement formulated to support healthy brain function and cognitive performance. It is designed for adults who want to maintain mental clarity, memory strength, and overall neurological balance as they age. The formula combines carefully selected natural ingredients known for their role in supporting the brain's communication pathways. At its core, it focuses on supporting the brain's natural process of neural activation, the system responsible for helping new brain cells become active and functional. By targeting this foundational mechanism, it works with your body's biology rather than masking symptoms. Each capsule contains a precise blend of botanical extracts and brain-supporting nutrients including Gotu Kola, Bacopa Monnieri, Daksha, lion's mane mushroom, and Shilajit. These ingredients were chosen for their complementary roles in supporting cognitive structure, neural connectivity, and overall brain vitality. NeuroVera is manufactured in the United States in a facility that follows strict quality and safety standards. It is designed to be taken once daily, making it a simple addition to your routine for consistent cognitive support. NeuroVera pills are designed to support the brain's natural communication system. Your brain constantly creates new neurons, but for those cells to contribute to memory and focus, they must be properly activated and integrated into your neural network. NeuroVera is formulated to help support this natural activation process. The ingredients in NeuroVera work together to promote healthy neural signaling. By supporting neurotrophin activity, the compounds responsible for guiding and energizing brain cells, the formula helps encourage efficient communication between neurons. Stronger communication pathways are essential for memory recall, concentration, and mental clarity. NeuroVera also includes nutrients that support overall brain cell protection and structural health. Certain ingredients help combat oxidative stress, which can interfere with normal cognitive performance over time. By promoting a balanced internal environment, the formula helps your brain function more smoothly. Taken consistently once daily, NeuroVera provides ongoing nutritional support for cognitive performance. Rather than acting as a quick stimulant, it works gradually to support long-term brain vitality, helping you maintain clarity, focus, and confidence in your daily life. Benefits of NeuroVera: supports healthy nerve function, promotes mental clarity, enhances memory performance, improves focus and concentration, helps reduce brain fog, supports healthy circulation, encourages balanced mood, provides antioxidant protection, boosts cognitive processing speed, supports overall brain health. For more details, visit our website given in the description and know the power of NeuroVera. Thank you.